Guys, in this video, I've got to fix this monstrosity.
Oh! Ho, ho, ho.
Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man how to fish, you feed him for life. People keep asking me to send them free RC cars. It wasn't that long ago when I could only barely afford to keep that running. You know, that's a Nitro Savage up there. I can only just about afford to put fuel in it and to use it and to pay for repairs. Now, I can afford to buy a brand new one every single day if I want. And I can teach you guys how to do the exact same thing. It took me the last few years to figure out a few things that you have to get right in order to make decent money selling items on eBay. And I'm going to share with you 3 things that you can implement today, that you can use right away to help you get your eBay store off the ground. And I've also got a 100% free mini eBay course where I'll show you guys exactly how to set up your own eBay store. So if you check the link down below, guys, head over to my website, kevtalbot.com/eBay42, and you can get in on my free course and I'll share with you the free tips. Alright guys, enjoy this video. So, it's got a broken chassis, as you can see here, but I've got a new one and I've also got a new servo because it took the servo out with it. Look, it split all the case and the servo's actually stopped working altogether. Alright, let's crack on. By the way, guys, you will see me use power tools on this, but when it comes to doing up the last little bit, I always do the last little bit by hand, because if you do it with this, it will strip out the threads. And I might not always show it on the video, because otherwise it would be too tedious. But whenever you see me do it up with this, guys, I always go in afterwards and do the last little bit with this one. I know what you're probably thinking, why am I not cleaning it properly? Why am I not giving it a full rebuild while I'm doing the chassis? Well, it's winter starting to come up now, and I want to take it out in the mud and do a bit of mud running, so it still needs a full rebuild, needs all the bearings doing. There's no point me doing it all properly now, only to take it out and then to ruin it all again. So, next job is to centre up the servo, and then we can bolt the front end back on. Oh, doesn't sound too nice. We'll have a look at that later. Alright, nearly done. I'm just going to hot glue the switch back up onto here. Hot glue that somewhere to stop it flapping and we're done. Alright, so it's all back together again. I mean, the gearbox is a little bit noisy. I think the spur gear's seen better days. But that's all I got for now, so it's going to have to be like that. Also, I've got a spare screw. No idea where it came from. I've had a look over it all, and I can't see where it's from, so I guess it's going to have to just go into the spare parts department. If anybody knows where that screw's supposed to go, let me know in the comments. Alright, all back in action, and I suppose it'd be rude not to quickly try it out. Oh man, I'm loving that bug body. I really think that finishes off the slash nicely. Alright, let's give it a blast. man, you gotta love the old Traxxas slash. Oh, let's put it away before we break it. So now I've got to do the same job all over again, this time on the Rustler 4x4. Still waiting to get the new chassis, none in stock in the UK, but as soon as they come in, we're going to get this fixed up and we're going to repair that and then take this out for another bash. Oh. Hey, what do you reckon? Go for it. Suicide jump, here we go. Oh, definitely ain't got it in it though. Oh, something's broke on the back. Oh no, oh no, look. Look! Ah! Killed it! What happened? Oh, it's killed the arm. Oh, that's the first one. I do have spares. No, second one. RPM there now. So now it's going to be RPM there as well.
I thought they could have been 50 feet in the air, but they've got to do some damage.
Yeah, I did go up in the air, didn't it? Uh-oh. Oh! Oh, ho, ho. What do you reckon of that one? Oh! On my head. Uh-oh. Oh, what a landing! Oh, ho, ho. It just takes it! Oh, a foot stuck in it. It attacked me. Yeah, I think you got to do it again to straighten it out. Oh no. Oh, ho, ho. Beast. Oh, ho, body off. That has got to be the world's toughest RC cars. It's got to be. There's nothing else out there that would take that kind of abuse. It's mad. Oh, oh, oh no. Oh, what happened? Oh no, look. Is it broken or just come off?
It's come unglued.
I think I've got glue in my bag. Would it fit over Steve's head?
Not quite.
What are you doing, Steve?
Being a twat.
The front's out. Oh no! Oh no! Oh my poor bug body! Oh. The bug's got angry. Oh. Oh, oh, that stopped it.
And it's not particularly heavy either, so it can go on your back.
Yeah.
To be honest, that would fit in your back.
How did that land? Oh! Nearly got a helmet shot. It's a slash going higher. It's not as much effort, isn't it? Oh! Oh, a bit of body came off. Uh-oh. Oh, and the lipo's out.
What's that? Oh yeah, it's definitely beetle body, but looks good.
Oh, that went up. Oh! Ho, ho, ho. Oh! Ho, ho, ho. So there you have it, guys. All you people keep asking me, where's the slash? Well, there it is. It's back alive again. So, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. Also, give us a note in the comments. Where do you want me to take this slash next? Alright, guys. See you soon. Bye.